Today, your angels have a special message for you about that person who is constantly on your mind. This person, who occupies so much space in your mind and heart, appears to be carefully guarding their feelings. They internally justify their actions and emotions, believing that perhaps you are not yet ready to handle the full truth, whatever it may be. Essentially, when someone emits this energy of restraint, they are communicating that they are not ready to share the entirety of their feelings. Instead of verbalizing this truth, they energetically convey the sense that you are not prepared to face what they truly feel. There is undoubtedly a significant emotional burden they are carrying at this moment. They seem hesitant to let you know about this emotional intensity, possibly due to deep introspection or simply the way they handle the connection between the two of you. Regardless of what they feel so deeply, they believe you are not yet ready to face it. They are so wrapped up in their own thoughts about you that it nearly consumes them completely. Even though you may be physically distant, their mind and heart are strongly centered on you. The emotional energy they send is not of a negative nature, but rather intense and powerful. They send a stream of emotions towards you, as if their own emotions and imagination were flowing freely in your direction. However, this emotional intensity is a direct reflection of what they are experiencing internally. They seem to feel somewhat lost, as the energy they emit is restless and tumultuous. Yet, one thing is undeniable: they are deeply focused on you. Depending on the level of your energetic connection or your own intuition, you might be able to sense this energy and understand it. Perhaps you are extremely intuitive and can pick up these vibrations clearly and accurately. However, there is also a palpable tension between you. Perhaps you are paying too much attention to this person and noticing that something is deeply disturbing them. It seems they want you to figure out what is going on by yourself, without having to verbalize their feelings. They wish for you to initiate a conversation about what is happening in their mental and emotional world, but they do not take the initiative to open up. They justify their reluctance to share their feelings, believing that you would not be able to handle the truth. However, the reality is that they themselves are not ready to face the emotional depth of what they feel. This is a deeply personal, intimate issue specific to them. They do not express their feelings verbally. Instead, they keep everything guarded within themselves. The connection between you is exceptionally powerful, and they are essentially tuned into your energy, feeling it based on their own feelings. This clearly influences their mind and behavior. It might be that their actions or omissions, their words or silence, are affecting what they feel. There may also be a shift in the dynamics between you, something they begin to notice but are still unable to express in words. They may be aware of this change, but the depth and intensity of the feelings prevent them from discussing it openly. Depending on the depth of your energetic connection or your own intuition, you might be aware of this energy. Even if they are not ready to discuss openly what they feel, you can sense this tension and understand that there is something more going on. Your angels are trying to draw your attention to this situation, indicating that there is a need for communication and mutual understanding. This tension does not need to be negative. In fact, it might be a sign that there is significant potential for growth and strengthening of the relationship. The energy they are emitting, though laden with unexpressed emotions, may also be a reflection of their own confusion and desire for understanding. They are struggling internally to balance their feelings and the need for emotional protection. This internal struggle is evident in the way they interact with you, even if they say nothing explicitly. You have the ability to feel and understand this energy. Your intuition is a powerful tool that can help you navigate through these complex feelings. Allow yourself to trust in this feeling and use your perception to open a channel of communication with them. Perhaps it is time to approach the issue in a gentle and understanding manner, showing that you are willing to listen and understand what he is going through. He now sees you differently. He feels that you have changed, even though you haven't directly expressed it. Perhaps you can notice this change through verbal and nonverbal signs, or by the way he behaves. Indeed, it's his perception. He was used to a specific dynamic between the two of you, but recently it seems that things have changed. This change may be intentional. Perhaps you have reclaimed your power by taking control of your emotions and your inner life, and this transformation surprises him. He notices that you shine brightly, that you adopt a stance of strength and self-love, and this disconcerts him, as if the ground has been pulled from under his feet. He feels that things are no longer as they were before, even though you haven't directly expressed it. No matter what you are experiencing internally, it manifests visibly. He notices this change and feels that you no longer give him the same attention as before, which disturbs him. He was used to special treatment from you and now feels that you have changed. His perception of change deeply affects him. He is confused, not fully understanding what is happening. Naturally, as you begin to elevate yourself, to take care of yourself and to love yourself, it impacts all aspects of your life, including your relationships. He notices this change and fears that the connection between you two might be affected. He observes that you are more confident, more self-assured, and this is something new for him. Before, he could feel that you were more dependent, perhaps even a bit insecure, and now he sees a new version of you, stronger and independent. This leaves him disoriented. He doesn't know how to handle this new dynamic. Each of your gestures, every word, every look, now carries a different energy, an energy of empowerment and self-sufficiency. He notices that you are more focused on yourself, on your personal growth and well-being. He sees that you are investing time in your own needs and dreams, and this is something he was not used to seeing. He notices that you are happier, more fulfilled, and this makes him question his own role in your life. He begins to wonder if he still has the same space and importance he had before. You are more centered, more at peace with yourself, and this is visible to everyone around you, especially to him. He feels that you no longer depend on him as much for your happiness and well-being, and this makes him feel insecure. He fears that you are drifting away, that this new version of you no longer needs him in the same way as before. This perception of change is a shock to him. He was used to a certain routine, a certain way of interacting with you, and now everything seems different. He sees that you are more assertive, more determined to follow your own path, and this makes him insecure. He begins to realize that he might need to adjust to this new reality, but doesn't know how to do it. He feels he has lost some of the control he thought he had over the dynamics between you two. Before, he could predict your reactions, your needs, but now everything seems uncertain. He sees that you are more autonomous, more determined to take the reins of your own life, and this disconcerts him. He notices that you are more selective with your time and attention. He sees that you are no longer willing to tolerate behaviors that you previously accepted. He sees that you are firmer in your decisions, clearer about what you want and don't want in your life. This makes him feel that he has lost something important, something that he perhaps took for granted. This change in dynamics creates confusion in his mind. He feels that you have changed, but doesn't know how to interpret this or how to express it to you, so he keeps his feelings to himself. He deals internally with the fact that you are advancing and showing confidence, which makes him feel emotions that he does not easily experience, including, surprisingly, jealousy. This feeling is new to him, something he is not accustomed to. He wants you to know that he feels jealous and possessive towards you. He feels that you are his and that only he should have access to your energy so deeply. Perhaps he was a bit too accustomed to the attention and time you previously dedicated to him. Now, with the perception of your change, he feels disconcerted and feels the need to act. He wants you to know this, but at the same time fears that the change you have demonstrated might affect the connection between you two. For some, this person may be experiencing a level of emotional intensity he is not used to feeling. He wonders how you would react if he revealed this side of himself and whether it could somehow drive you away. Know that this energy, although complex and confusing, is fueled by the deep love he feels for you. He wants you to know that you are his, and this intensity witnesses the special bond you share. Be prepared, as he feels compelled to act, motivated by the desire to show that you are his and that this connection is special. His love and energy flow in your direction, and this message is an expression of the profound impact you have on his life. He begins to question if he still has the same space in your life, if he is still as important to you as before. This feeling of insecurity generates a whirlwind of emotions within him. He feels fear, anxiety, and above all, an overwhelming desire to regain his place in your heart. He wants to be the person you turn to, the one who supports you and is part of your journey of growth. This process is difficult for him, as it involves confronting his own insecurities and fears. He needs to deal with feelings he has never experienced before and find a way to express all this without driving you away. He wants you to know that, despite everything, he still loves you deeply and that this change in you, although challenging for him, is also something he admires. He sees your strength and independence as incredible qualities and admires your ability to grow and transform. However, he also feels an intense desire to be part of this transformation, to not be left behind. He wants to grow alongside you, to develop and become a better person for you. He is at a critical point where he needs to decide how to deal with these new feelings. He can choose to open up, be honest about what he feels, and work to strengthen the connection between you. Or he can let fear and insecurity dominate him, risking the possibility of drifting apart. He is aware that he needs to take action, and this uncertainty consumes him. This energy, although confusing and intense, is proof of the deep love he feels for you. He wants you to know that, despite all the challenges and uncertainties, he is willing to fight for this connection. He is determined to grow, to develop, and to be the person you deserve. Be prepared, as he is about to act. He wants to show that you are his and that this connection is special. He is ready to face his insecurities and fears, to open up and be honest about what he feels. He wants you to know how much you mean to him and how much he is willing to do to keep this relationship strong and healthy. His love and energy flow in your direction, and this message is an expression of the profound impact you have on his life. He wants you to know that he is by your side, that he loves you, and that he is willing to do whatever it takes to maintain this connection. Trust him, trust his ability to grow and transform, and know that together you can overcome any challenge. Take a moment to let these words resonate with you and leave your thoughts in the comments. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. To help increase your blessings, share this video with your groups and others who may also benefit from it. An important message awaits in the next video. I hope each word has touched your heart and that you have found inspiration and comfort in our messages of love and hope. Remember always that you are not alone on this journey and that a higher power is taking care of you every step of the way. May God be with you and stay tuned for the next video of faith, peace, and comfort. Amen.